Good morning students, welcome to online teaching. I am Dr. Aparna Khursel and today we will study ultrastructure of TMV. TMV stands for tobacco mosaic virus. Here is the introduction on virus. As we all know, virology is the science which deals with the study of viruses. A virus is a non-cellular particle made up of nucleic acid and protein coat called as capsid. Viruses are ultramicroscopic in nature. They are long, cylinder and having needle or rod-like appearance. Viruses shows both living as well as non-living characteristics. They are regarded as biological atom and also called as infectious agent. Let's study difference between virus and living cell. Structurally, virus consisting of nucleic acid and protein coat, whereas living cell, they shows the presence of cell membrane, cytoplasm, genetic material and other cell organelles. As far as reproduction is concerned, viruses copies itself only inside host cell called as replication, whereas living cell they reproduce asexually as well as sexually. Viruses they have either DNA or RNA as a genetic material, whereas living cell they have both DNA and RNA as a genetic material. Viruses they does not show growth and development. Viruses they does not obtain and use energy. They does not respond to environment, and viruses never ever change over the time. With respect to living cell, all living cell they show growth and development. They obtain and use energy. Living cell responds to environment as well as living cell shows change over the time. Now let's see the various shapes of viruses. Viruses exhibit different types of shapes. They are spherical, helical, cubical, polyhedral and complex shape also. Let's study the size of viruses. All the blue colored photographs are the photographs of viruses. So you can see that the size of viruses is very small as compared to bacteria, and bacteria size is further smaller than human red blood cell. That's why for observing viruses we need ultra microscope. Let's see the classification of viruses. Those viruses which infect plant they called as plant viruses. Those viruses which infect animal they called as animal viruses. Those viruses which infect bacteria they called as bacteriophage. Those viruses which infect cyanobacteria or blue green algae they called as cyanophage. Those viruses which infect fungi they called as mycoviruses. Those viruses which infect mycoplasm they called as mycoplasm viruses, and those viruses which infect algae they called as phycoviruses. So, so in nature there are varieties or various types of viruses are present with respect to their host. Viruses also causes various diseases like common cold, herpes, hepatitis A, B and C, rats, chickenpox, polio, influenza, mumps, measles or even AIDS. Now let's study ultrastructure of TMV, that is tobacco mosaic virus. Here is the first photograph which gives you the idea about the infection of virus over the leaf of tobacco. The second photograph shows the rod-like appearance of virus, and the third photograph is the ultrastructure of TMV. So let's study the ultrastructure of TMV. TMV is a helical hollow rod and consisting of two parts: nucleic acid single stranded RNA and second protein coat called as capsid, and each capsid is made up of small subunit, and these small subunits is called as capsomers. TMV is a simple helical hollow rod shaped virus consisting of centrally located single stranded RNA helix which is enveloped by protein coat. The rod is considered to be 3000 angstrom in length and about 180 angstrom in diameter. The protein code is called capsid. R. Franklin estimated around 200 130 to 2200 sub-unit of capsid as capsomer. The central core of the rod is about 40 angstrom in diameter. Each capsomer is a grape-like structure containing about 158 amino acid residue, and viruses remain ineffective for about 50 years in dried tobacco leaf. So you can have an idea how dangerous viruses are. Here are the photographs. On the right side, a diagrammatic representation of TMV shows its composition, that it is made up of nucleic acid, that is RNA helical, and protein coat, and each protein coat is consisting of number of subunit called as capsomer. On the left side, the photographs of TMV gives you the idea how the virus infect tobacco plant. I took the references from Google and e-resources available on viruses. Thank you so much. I hope I make you understand the topic. If you have any query, you can ask me freely, or you can email your questions. My email ID is principalkhursel31@gmail.com. Thank you for your patience listening. Take care. Goodbye.